Go ahead and make your way towards a comfortable position. Either seated upright or laying down is totally fine. As we drop in together with our 3 collective breaths, as you find your next exhale, slowly pull the belly button to the spine as you get empty. Slowly begin to inhale as you fill up the belly, fill up the chest. Slow exhale, sigh and release. Slow, steady breath in as you round out the belly. Into the chest, broaden your ribs. Pausing at the top. Gentle exhale, sigh and release. Last one. Slow, steady breath in all the way into the belly. Into the chest. Feel your heart expand all the way up to the collarbones. Pausing here at the top. Can you soften your shoulders? Can you soften your face? As you slowly exhale, sigh and release. As you arrive at your practice, just begin to let your body dissolve into a cloud of sensation. Pay close enough attention as to relinquish the shape and form of your body. Release the shape of your hands and back and head. Just to let each new sensation appear in consciousness. And you'll notice that many of those sensations are those of the breath. As you watch the breath pass in, as you watch the breath pass out, as you bring your attention to the sensations of breathing, notice wherever you feel the breath most clearly. Is it in the tip of the nose, or in the chest, or in the abdomen? And as your attention settles there, become aware of the whole field of sensory experience. The weight of your body resting in the chair, cushion, or bed. The sensation of your hands against your legs. And notice too any sounds that are appearing. Observe how they come and go all on their own. You can leave your mind perfectly relaxed, but notice what appears precisely. Let your mind expand so that it is the space in which everything is simply appearing. In the moment you notice a thought is present, witness it clearly. Where does it go? And then briefly look for the thinker. Look for the seat of attention. Look for what is looking. And then leave your mind at rest. Observe that you don't actually choose the next thing you notice. Whatever it is, everything is simply appearing, including acts of attention. You don't know what you'll pay attention to next. See if you can drop back into that position of merely witnessing whatever happens. And let everything appear in its own place. You need not to point attention at anything. In this last minute of the session, become clearly aware of the sensations of your body. Return to the undifferentiated cloud of temperature and pressure, tingling, whatever is there. Slowly draw a breath in through the nose. Gentle sigh out to your mouth. Drawing the thumbs to heart center, hands in prayer position. Tucking your chin in towards your chest. May we invite these mindful moments into our life as often as we possibly can. Thank you so much for your practice. Namaste.